Oh yeah. Look what we got in the mail today, boys. I wonder what it could be. Gross. Cat.
One thing that fucking handle, Kevin.
Yeah.
That's tube and fin.
They've been dyno proven apparently. Yeah.
Doesn't work, you fucking can't come back.
No, it'll definitely work. This thing, man. Almost 5.5 inch fucking core. Fucking dead. What size the cap?
You can tell that's two cores joined together, eh?
Yeah.
You can see this where it's fucking
Yeah, that's right.
together,
Oh well. Main thing she's fucking back. And we just gotta commence fucking throwing her in. Well, just leaving the shed. Well, what do we have here? The fucking engine action. Anyway, heading home. We'll fucking unload this engine, and over the next few days we'll probably start to assemble the big rig, get it all ready to go in the engine bay. A couple of things I've got to get sorted, but apart from that, I couldn't see why this engine would be not in the car by early next week, ready to go. Stay tuned, people. We might have some smoke coming out of the old 30-pounder yet. And the big fucking rig.